Welcome to our channel. If you want to use family sharing features to try services without paying for separate subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions to coordinate shared access with household members effectively. Step 1. Check which services in your household already have family sharing enabled by reviewing subscription settings in platforms like Apple, Google, Amazon, or streaming services. Step 2. Coordinate with family members to identify who subscribes to which services and discuss opportunities to share access rather than paying for duplicate subscriptions. Step 3. Designate a family organizer who will manage shared subscriptions and invitations, ensuring this person understands their role in adding or removing family members. Step 4. Set up your family sharing group through your device's system settings, inviting family members by email and waiting for them to accept the invitation. Step 5. Enable purchase sharing and subscription sharing in the family settings, understanding that some services share payment methods while others only share access to content. Step 6. Each family member should verify their access to shared subscriptions by logging into the services with their individual accounts and confirming they can access shared content. Step 7. Establish family guidelines about using shared services responsibly, including respecting simultaneous streaming limits and not sharing access outside the family group. Step 8. Regularly review which subscriptions are shared and actively used, removing unused services to optimize your family's spending on digital subscriptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.